Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, you all are at home taking a rest. Don't take too much rest. Take out your textbooks and start learning. And take the English second when we come. Or third, students. English second, we were discussing about the blacksmith 2. Lesson number 16. Lesson number 16. The Lord who became a blacksmith. Blacksmith 1 already we have learned. Lesson number 15 that is. And now lesson number 16. This also we have discussed. Then finally one more time I will give you little more clarity. Then I will give you the question and answers. Textbook exercise. So we have discussed this lesson. What was that of the lesson over? Actually blacksmith 1 when we go, from where it started, it has started with the one Lord. So Havisham was the Lord Havisham. Actually he was the Lord from that area, and he went to for journey. On the journey his the coach has broken. Then luckily there was a blacksmith, and they went and asked. The blacksmith came and removed and made other hook there. Then finally fixed and they went. But the blacksmith had asked him how much money? For $1 to do that work. This actually, this Lord is very, what is that? Is it good? No, very conjures. Means conjures means we can say he is very particular about the money. He doesn't want to give any single rupee to others. Very greedy we can say. Lalach bolte na, lene wala hai, dene wala nahi. Then that was then. Then finally they went and discussed with the wife. Then what the wife said, why can't you learn that work? Then if you learn that work, then we can learn more, we can earn more money. Then we can be a double rich. Already he is the Lord. The Lord means we know how much amount will be there. But फिर भी लालच की वजह से वाइफ क्या बोले, तुम जाकर के सीखो. You go on, learn that work, then you can earn some more money. Then he went and he was sitting and watching. He learned this. Actually we do the work and learn, isn't it? We do that work, then we learn it. Well, at least suppose your textbook if you take, unless you take out and learn, you won't get anything. That's why we have to do the work, then only we can. But this Lord went and sat little far from the blacksmith, and he was watching how he is doing. While watching can we learn? बुक ऐसे पढ़ा करके ऐसे देखेंगे तो पूरा याद होगा नहीं, तो वो भी तो लेकिन he was sitting there and he was watching the blacksmith. Then finally after 1 week he also started. He took that coachman that a blacksmith work and he started to do. And what he was doing, he doesn't know anything actually. Then the one farmer came with one piece of iron. He took and he came. And he asked him first as he came. Then the Lord came to him. Then first they came and they started to fire some coal they put there, and they started to put the little fire type. Then when coal started to become reddish color, then they make a little. Then he told first he came and asked for plug. So from this plug onward started. The farmer wanted plug, but actually they are not at all good. Coachman, that a Lord and a Lord's coachman is there, so that coachman also with him. They started to heat that one force, the next one again beating there. He could not make the plug. Then again he told them, oh, it is not very good. I will try to make a hammer. So again they started to heat and they took the hammer and they were beating. then it was not at all sparks were coming and heating and putting their sparks were coming out. Just like that it was going on. Then finally, did they get the flood? No, they could not get. The piece became very thinner. Then what happened? Oh, this is a spoiled one. This is not a good iron. The blacksmith started to say. Then again he told them, okay, this plug is not coming. I will try to make you something else. Then what he told? All right, you try to make an axe. So he told that next what he wanted to make axe. So he told the Lord only is telling from where to where axe go like this. Then they started to beat again for the axe. They were firing, they are putting the fire and keep this iron piece in that fire. Then they are making it very hot. Then they are putting on the iron stool like that. Then they started to beat on that. So continuously they were beating and putting out and started to beat. But there is no axe at all. They could not, the Lord and the coachman could not bring out from that iron any axe. Then again he told, oh my God, this is not a good. Then it is a fine seize. Now give me $1. So again what he said, after that I cannot make a axe for you. Then let me try to make it. What he told, indeed said, no axe will come but iron force and a knife. So this time what they told, I will make you a knife and give you. So I will make a very sharp knife for you and give you. Then the farmer said, okay, it will be useful. Okay, you make and give this it. Again they began to heat that forcing the iron again and hammered. They are forcing it and again started to beat on that iron. But still there is no iron. Again then they were going on doing, there was no knife. Then again wanted, okay, this iron is very bad. बहुत खराब वाला आयरन है, इससे कुछ नाइफ भी नहीं आ सकता. अभी हम आपको सील्स बना करके देंगे. So what they told, I will make you the. So from here to there. So now they told, finally he told, I will make a seals for you. Oh, all right then, said the farmer. Then finally they were beating and making thin that iron, it became very thin. Then finally it is a fine seize. Now give me $1. So he completed finally, just seize this, one iron small sharp one like seize to dig or anything or just to remove the mud, like that it will be. Well, then for that he asked, you give me my $1 now. Then the farmer got very angry. But he did not show that anger. उसको गुस्सा बहुत आया है क्योंकि उसका पूरा अच्छा वाला आयरन पूरा उन लोग दोनों बाइट करके खराब कर दिया. Then after that what they did, the farmer controlled his anger and he told, okay, you want the, I don't have $1. You come to my home, I will give you the how much you need, that much wheat I will give you. Wheat means So then the Lord said, okay. Then the farmer started to move first. Then after that the Lord and the coachman started to follow. Then the Lord said to the coachman, first I will go inside. The farmer will be filling the sack or he will be putting the wheat on that sack. Sack में गेहूं को भरा देगा. Then when the farmer asks, इतना बस, then is it sufficient? Then तुरंत तो क्या बोलना है बात से, नहीं नहीं मेरा शेर भी उन्हीं को दीजिए. ऐसे जोर से चिल्ला करके बोलिए ताकि उन लोग अपना शेर, आपका शेर भी हमको दे सकते. Like that means if they ask the farmer inside, if he is asking, is it enough? From outside what you have to say? No, it is not enough. Please give my share also to my Lord. Then they agreed for that, the coachman, because the poor coachman is working under the Lord. He has to listen to his Lord. Then they went. The farmer went inside. Then the Lord happily enjoying, and because he will get so much wheat there. Then he went inside. Then when he went inside, he was surprised, he was shocked, and he was standing like this. Then why? Because there was two strong men were standing, and they, as the Lord came inside, they dragged him and put him on the bench and started to beat him with a long sticks, very big, thick sticks. They took and they started to beat him very badly. Then finally, when they said, "Is it enough?" Then immediately that word, who had outside, the coachman had. Immediately the coachman, "No, no, no, please give my share also to my Lord." Then तुरंत they again what they did, तुम्हारा कंपनी का शेयर तुम्ही को चाहिए बोल करके एक उनको खूब मार दिया. Then after that, finally the Lord got enough and more beatings from the farmer strong man. Then he came out. So as he came out, and he understood that we should not do this kind of things. What our work, that work only we are supposed to do. What is not our work, we should not interfere in others. दूसरे लोगों का काम में हम लोग का हाथ नहीं डालना है. So किसको क्या मालूम है, उन्हीं लोगों को पता है. Then we should not interfere, and we should not make commands, and we should not make that it is very easy. Those who do the work, उन्हीं लोगों को पता है उन लोग कितना मेहनत कर रहे हैं. So this is the lesson about the Lord who became a blacksmith. So dear children, I hope you have understood. I have told you beforehand also this one. Now you learn the word power from the textbook. Then I will be giving you today. I will see today itself. I will make you to send you the question and answers also. You see the question and answers, and how I told you. First, what you have to write on the first word power. The next question and answer should be written in your copy. First, in the copy, how I am making you to write in your copy exactly how to write. First, complete the word power. Then you start writing the question and answers. So I hope, and a textbook exercise, whatever I will give textbook exercise also, that everything should be completed in your textbook. I hope you have understood what I said, and please learn and complete your work on time, so that when you come back, there should not be any incomplete. I hope you have understood. Read the lesson again, then you will